It's Saturday, so I've had two and a half days work here. I've stopped now for the afternoon. This morning I put the mower around this on the highest possible setting, and yesterday I'd trimmed it to get it part prepared. It's amazing, I only cut this stuff this morning and it's already dry like hay. I've made a start on this. This is just crudely dug. But that's all been prepared, and those are my charred seedlings I brought with me, put in and watered. But that's all been sifted for weeds. They're all like this. You know, all of them are split. Too much sunshine and had been too dry, I think. You can see by that one, the birds have been helping themselves. 20 years ago this allotment here was full of vegetables, and then I think 2008 the people left, so that's 12 years just worth of neglect, and now it's a complete impenetrable jungle where I think some cats live. Sunday 21st of June, first day of summer, and it's been drizzling a bit, but the forecast is better for this afternoon, and then hopefully all next week it'll be sunny so I can be outside every day. But I won't be outside for a couple of hours by the look of it. Oh, yes, there is sound up there. Oh, good. I haven't seen many flying in and out though. Or is he waiting until I'm not around? It's Monday the 22nd. I've had another go at this. It's going to take more, I think, before it's finished. I see the birds are helping themselves to all the ripe ones now. And today I'm continuing to make some soil for planting seeds, or seedlings. Tuesday, 23rd of June, another lovely day, not a cloud in the sky. It's about 9:30 and I've just finished my breakfast and about to start work. Yesterday evening the farmer came and cut the field. I don't know how I didn't hear him. I spent all evening in the courtyard, but I didn't hear him. Anyway, there we are. He'll come back in a few days and turn it and then bale it. And this looks pretty much the same colour. I might try and rake that up today. And that's what I did yesterday. In a day or two I suppose the field will look like this. I doubt whether you'll be able to see that, but the ridge line there is filled with birds waiting for me to move so they can go to bed. I might have to put it on the tripod and go away. Wednesday the 24th of June. I've been here a week now, although it seems much longer in a way. Tin bath has been cleared, weeded and restocked with seeds. I'm continuing with the grass, but it's hard work and it's very hot at the moment. High 20s I should think. Looks like a good crop this year. The birds haven't yet had them all, but they have been helping themselves. This morning I planted runner beans, radishes in the middle, and those carrots there. I shall continue a little bit later on today when it gets a little bit cooler, I think. The hay in the field is drying nicely as well. I borrowed a pump from Ken, so I've been watering, irrigating, but this still all remains to be done. Yesterday I changed some petrol pipe on the Diane, took it out for a ride today and it seems perfectly okay, so that's another little job ticked off. Well, after two of the hottest days I've ever experienced in Comland, it looks like we might be having a storm. Farmer must have thought the same thing because he's come and collected, baled everything. My plan is to put some more veg in there in the morning when the soil's a bit cooler. Finish that today and put the rest of the chard and the spinach in. I've watered these with my new acquisition, which is a pump. So my hose pipe can pump water now from the well, although it's not pumping that well at the moment, so I'm trying to get to grips with why that isn't working quite as well as I think it should. It's about 9:30 now and the storm is making its way around but hasn't got here yet. Don't know if it will, might miss us altogether. It's Friday the 26th. Looks like the farmer must have come last night and taken the bales, get them in the dry before that thunderstorm hit. So anyway, there's the field. Nice and neat as it ever gets. Take advantage of the damp soil, and obviously it's a bit cooler. I put in a line of potatoes and I planted the rest of the chard and the spinach seedlings. The rest of the soil I don't know what to do with yet, but I suppose I have got seeds. I'll put some other stuff in later on.